the stillness of the night, we gather round, voices lifting softly, creating sacred sound. Then begin the melody, deep and rich they sing. Women join in harmony, their voices gently ring. Huchenjeri Hwekumatare HunoYera Yera. Huchenjeri Utungamirire, with wisdom from the heavens, let the spirits soar together. In this moment we will open every door. Guided by the stars above, our hearts begin to blend, a tapestry of sound with every note we send. Soprano lifts the tenor high, reaching for the light. Bass embraces softly, grounding us tonight. Huchenjeri Hwekumatare HunoYera Yera. Huchenjeri Uchengete, as wisdom weaves through twilight, calming every fear. Together in this symphony, the world will draw us near. Let the rhythms guide us, pulses beat in time, echoes of our souls emerge in sacred rhyme. With every breath we take, we blend our voices true, lifting spirits higher as the night brings us anew. Huchenjeri Hwekumatare HunoYera Yera. Huchenjeri Comborere, in unity we flourish, rising from the ground. conclude. Our song now finds its rest. Faith and love will guide us, shining in our chest. As we part and linger